In today's video, I wanted to give you guys a review on my Wickerbill from Aerosport Concepts. Okay guys, so here we are at the Wickerbill itself, and like I said, it matches really well with the stock spoiler. Yo, what's up YouTube? Ryan with Hemifam back with another awesome video for you guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to give you guys a review on my Wickerbill from Aerosport Concepts. I have had my Wickerbill installed on my car for just about a year now. I also have a video on the install process. You can watch that by clicking the link up above. And Aerosport Concepts has really designed a great product for the Dodge Charger and Challenger. They do have styles for both vehicles, and I think it looks really great on my vehicle, especially if you have a Scat Pack, because the spoiler on the Scat Pack is a matte finish. So when you pair the Wickerbill, which is also a matte finish, on the spoiler, it really looks sharp, guys. On the SRT Chargers, the spoilers are color matched to the car, whether that be B5 Blue, Go Mango, what have you. So when they're installed on an SRT vehicle, you kind of have the ears, I kind of call them, which is the spoiler paint. So it's a little different, but it still looks badass, guys. I am really impressed with the look that it gives the car. In my opinion, it just gives the car a tad bit more aggressive look, sets it apart from, you know, all the other Mopars, Chargers in a parking lot, and it looks really good, guys. I've had it on the car for, like I said, about a year now. I wash the car regularly. I drive the car super fast. So it's been at speeds probably 150 plus, and it hasn't fallen off yet, guys. So looks like we did a pretty good job on the install. You know, all the riv nuts and the hardware is nice and tight. And one thing about the Wickerbill is if you don't like it for whatever reason, you can remove it, and the holes that you drilled, just put the hardware that holds the Wickerbill on the vehicle back in there, and you'll be good to go, guys. Your spoiler is not ruined. You did drill holes in it, but you can put hardware back in those holes and remove the Wickerbill if need be. So again, guys, awesome product. We also sell the Wickerbills from BJ's Garage. So if you want to get a Wickerbill from BJ's Garage, let me know. Drop me an email, ryan@hemifam.com, and we will get you set up with a BJ's Garage Wickerbill, splitter, side skirts, you name it. So let's go ahead and check out the Wickerbill installed on the car so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like and see how it looks. I will also throw in some media, some photos that I shot of the car, so you guys can get a better idea of how it looks at different angles in photography and things of that nature. So let's go to the back of the car, guys, and check that out right now, shall we? Okay guys, so here we are at the Wickerbill itself, and like I said, it matches really well with the stock spoiler that is on the car, and it looks really nice installed on the car. Like I said, it just gives it a little bit of a more aggressive look to it, kind of sets it off apart from some of the other vehicles And like I said, if you ever want to remove the Wickerbill, take off the hardware that it has on there, remove the bill, and reinstall the hardware into the riv nuts that we put into the actual spoiler, and your Wickerbill is now gone, and you have some cool looking hardware poking out there to, you know, just kind of give you like a rivet look, kind of like a race car or something like that. But really awesome stuff and awesome product, guys. I have been super impressed with Aerosport Concepts as a company and what they make, so you should definitely check them out. And like I said, it is on there really well, guys. Like, I have had the car at really high speeds, and it hasn't blown off on me yet, so that is a very good sign. And after all this time, it is still looking really great. I also have my tail lights wrapped in the Lux Auto Concepts dark smoke tint film, which we also do that too. You can also find the Lux Auto website and promo code in the affiliate section of the video, so check that out, guys, before you leave, for a nice murdered out tail light look to go along with your brand new Wickerbill. So yeah, guys, it is a nice thick piece of, I'm guessing, some sort of ABS plastic. It's rather thick and firm, but it has just enough give to it to contour to the shape of the vehicle, the spoiler on the vehicle. And it looks cool, guys, because like I said, it has these big wings here, and generally air is supposed to flow back, hit this, push down on the rear of the car, and give you downforce so you can get grip and get on out of there. So really awesome product. Again, it's not for everybody. Some absolutely hate the look, some absolutely love it. Obviously, I love it, and who knows, maybe you will be one of the guys that love it too. It does take some time to grow on some people, but you know, once they make the decision and get the Wickerbill, they are extremely happy with their install and their purchase. So again, guys, be sure to check out Aerosport Concepts if you're looking for a Wickerbill. BJ's Garage also makes a really nice one too, out of aluminum, if you are not a fan of the ABS. So really great stuff as far as mods for your Dodge Charger or Challenger, and be sure to check that stuff out, guys. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and go over the ordering process. Here we are on the Aerosport Concepts website. This is Kurt's personal Camaro that he races and tracks, fully equipped with awesome Aerosport Concepts, as you can see. So these products are ready for the track, guys. So let's go ahead and hop on over to the Mopar section of the Aerosport Concepts website, and once we are there, we'll then click on over to the Wickerbill section. And this is it, guys. This is where you are going to order the Wickerbill extension for your Dodge Charger or Challenger. And once you get into the page here, there's, you know, all the cars that it fits, a brief description, and this is where you would pick the model of your vehicle and the options that you want. I went with the black hardware, but you can go with the, like, you know, it's like a silverish, but it's totally up to you guys. Add it to cart, hit checkout, and boom, you guys are ready to rock and roll. I think shipping was like an added $20 or so. Ships post office priority, and it's very fast. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a huge thumbs up, share it with a buddy, smash that subscribe button so you stay up to date and do not miss anything. Also turn the bell on for real-time notifications when videos go live, things like that, so you will never ever miss a thing. Also, in the video description, we have awesome links and promo codes for you to check out, things we talked about in this video, all of our social media links and handles. Be sure to follow us there. Let's be friends on social media. And again, a huge shout out to Kurt at Aerosport Concepts for all of his quality products, his customer service. He really stands behind his product, and he's a really great guy, and they are an awesome company. So huge shout out to them. I will also put a link to their website and products in the description. And again, a huge shout out to everybody that watches, views, and supports this channel. All these subscribers out there, I cannot thank you enough. For everything that you do for us and this channel. I am super grateful and thankful for each and every one of you out there. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.